To be honest, I'm not studying. I have completed my graduation. I'm also searching my further study. I'm from Khulna city, which is the very close to Joshua, and this is Kam city as well.
And where do you live now?
Still, I'm living the same place, which is Khulna city. I am here since my childhood time.
Okay, I got
As
it.
much as possible, I want to live there.
Okay, I got it. What do you do? Do you work or study?
To be honest, I'm not studying. I have completed my graduation. I'm also searching my further study. I'm also working in an institute.
What kind of social networking websites do you like to use?
If I mention in current era, definitely I will say it's email, because I am using email for my work purpose, also for my in my it's like working time or working media. So it's now very essential for me rather than Facebook or Instagram. I used to it, but not now.
Okay, I got it. So are you a social person?
Um, to be honest, yes, I am, but I wasn't before, because of without online, without network, it's difficult to stay in current like current era. So without can move in future without online or without social media.
Okay, exactly.
Yeah.
Okay, so what kinds of people do you like to be friends with on those websites? I mean, on those social media network.
Okay, definitely I would say foreigner person. I'm enthusiasm to speak with them, and because of their greeting and their friendship, they're very frank, which I don't feel with other person, even my nation person. So they're very friendly.
I got
That's
it.
the
I
reason
got your. I
I
got.
just enjoy talk with them.
Okay, I got it. So you like to talk or you like to chat some of the foreigners. So there are lots of fraud and scammed people. And in this context, is it easy to find real friends on a social networking website?
It's depends on person how many frank or they can cope up easily with foreigner, or it could be any type of person. So it depends, or like it's total depends on person how much they are close to them, so they will be their friend or not. It's just vary their mental or their communication, yes.
Okay, so if I ask you that what kind of chatting app or software do Bangladeshi people like to use?
As my experience, I would say they're very famous, and they are used regularly, or the huge amount of ratio they're using, like Facebook also and Instagram also. But they are use very rarely emails and Twitter, also other social media.
Okay, Jannatul, a few moments back you mentioned that you use email most of the time for communicating, and you don't use Facebook much. So why don't you
Yeah.
use Facebook? As I mean, as most of the Bangladeshi people prefer using Facebook a lot. Even most of the students, most of the people from all ages, I mean, waste their valuable times. They waste their, I mean, most productive times on Facebook. And why don't you use Facebook? What's the reason behind this?
Yes, as my experience, or if I back in my life, that my all about of my experience, like I was also use Facebook when I was teenage or in my college or school no, not college life. When I started my graduation, I'm also like used so much Facebook because of its new communication with friends. There are lots of pictures that like people are love to see, and like every kinds of pictures, videos, like they can watch easily within a few seconds or moments. So they just love to scroll, but they are wasting their time. They never think about it. So after 35 or after 30, 40, they realize like how much time they wasted in before. If they had if they would knowledge about time or knowledge about social media, maybe they would they are able to use in right way Facebook. They may be able to earn some money from Facebook, but they couldn't have any idea. So just first of all need to know about their using side, positive negative sides. Okay, all of those things, but few people's their emotion, it's a very early
Mhm.
age. They don't know they're using
Okay,
side.
okay,
Yeah.
I got it. I got it. Thank you, Jannatul. This is the end of our English speaking test. And thank you so very much for your contribution. It's truly appreciable. Students should learn something from you.